All right, here's what the market is doing here today. You see a pretty sharp sell off the last few days. The question is, could you have known back here that a stock market crash was coming in 2022? And the answer is yes. There are 4 charts that predicted the crash before the event. And if you register to my website, www.gannanalysis.net, I will give you access to a free report with those 4 charts. Now, one of the charts I'll show you right now, because actually I've showed it to you before, so no harm done. I posted this chart on YouTube and Twitter back in late November of last year because I wanted people to see that this is not a con game. Gann allows you to see the future. It's the geometry of time and price. If we make the 1 by 1 a slope of 7.5 points per week, as you see here, when you broke it, you sold off and then you rallied on a 2 by 1, which is twice the slope of the 1 by 1. In this case, 15 points per week. Now, when you broke that, you sold off and then you rallied on a 4 by 1 that is twice the slope of the 2 by 1 or 4 times the slope of the 1 by 1, 30 points per week. When you broke that, you sold off and then you rallied on an 8 by 1, which is 8 times the slope of the 1 by 1, 60 points per week. Now, breaking the 4th ascending Gann line confirmed that we're going to start a correction in 2022. And that's why I posted this to YouTube and Twitter on November 22nd, 2021. I was warning you here that this correction was coming. Now, safe to say that most people did not believe me back here, but now you have the evidence. It's not a matter of my opinion. It's a matter of the geometry of time and price. It's mathematics. And that's what makes it so powerful. Gann warned us the 3rd or 4th ascending Gann line, when you break it, you're going to get a correction. It could have started back here, but it definitely would have started after the break of this 8 by 1, because that's the 4th ascending Gann line. 1, 2, 3, 4. You broke the 4th ascending Gann line, you tried to rally, but you couldn't, and then January we started to slide. The question now is, how low will it go and when will it bottom? To get that answer, you're going to have to subscribe, but it's worth the cost of tuition because right now I'm doing a promotion. You can get the service at a discounted rate for 3 months. Go to the website, you'll see the details, but I want you to see that Gann works, so that's why I posted this chart for free. And if you want the other charts, then you have to go to the website, and here we have it, www.gannanalysis.net. You register, you'll get access to that free report that shows you that first chart, which I already told you about, and 3 other charts that actually predicted the crash before the event. So in doing that, you will have a leg up on the competition. Maybe not for this crash, but you'll learn the concepts, why and how and why we were able to predict this correction before the event. Now, if you look around, you'll see a lot of talking heads on CNBC telling you they're predicting a crash. Well, that's all well and good in June. Wouldn't it have been nicer to know that 6 months ago? Yeah, I think so, because you could have avoided all this pain. And my clients knew about it back here. You're learning about it here from the talking heads on CNBC and Bloomberg, etc. They're basically wanting to claim that they called the market. They don't have the proof of that. You know, if you look at my YouTube and my Twitter page, you'll see the timestamp. I posted it. I posted this chart back on November 22nd, 2021, because I know most people don't believe. There are too many con artists out there. They're trying to tell you after the fact what's going to happen. That's useless. The time to know that a correction was coming was right here. Then you could get out of harm's way and maybe you even go short. You know, the point is, You need to know this stuff before it happens, not after. So I'm just saying, if you want to see the geometry of time and price in action, you want to see 3 more charts in addition to this one that allowed me to predict the crash of 2022, then all you have to do is register to the site, www.gannanalysis.net. You'll get access to those 3 other charts. And then I'm doing a promotion right now. I'd like to see you try the service for 3 months. You get a discounted rate in honor of Gann's 144th birthday, which just came due on June 6th. This promotion is not going to last much longer. So it's been on for a week. I'm about to cancel the promotion. So if you want to take advantage of that promotion, you're going to have to act quickly. But this is a valuable chart. You want to see 3 more charts that actually solidified our view that, hey, 2022 would be a crash year for the S&P. Just register. You'll get access to those 3 charts for free in addition to this one. And the whole thing with Gann, if you know enough of Gann tools, you can actually predict the market. It actually works. It's not going to work every time, but the more information you have from various Gann tools that tell you, oh yeah, this thing looks bad, you'll know before the mass market. You will know that a correction is coming before everybody else. So if that interests you, go ahead and register, and then think about maybe trying the service for 3 months to see how you like it. If you don't like it, you can cancel after 3 months. No big deal. But you will learn a lot of Gann in 3 months. I do videos with almost every report. You get access to those videos. You actually learn Gann as you go. So good luck in your trading. If you have any questions, my name is James Smith. You can email me at jamessmith@gannanalysis.net.